Okay, I test fitted this plate underneath between this sheet metal from the inside and this sheet metal on the outside. There's a space this will fit, but it gets wedged if it falls down in here. So it took me a half hour to get it to fish it out. But I did figure out that it does need to have about 1/4 of an inch cut off so that the plate will fit and line up without becoming caught with something else. So I believe I may have to cut a little off the top just to be sure, because it looked like it fit. Yeah, it should fit okay. I don't want to stick it in and have trouble getting it out again. But in order to stick it in and get it in the right place, I'm going to screw a bolt in there at some point. And as the thread comes out, it should push against the back wall, forcing this forward towards the front wall. I've already drilled these holes out, just marking it from the outside. I had just placed it like that and put a couple of marks where the holes were. That way, if I need to put some screws in there and pull it closer to the outer or inner sheet metal here, that'll work. So let me start. You can reach underneath there and get a lot of stuff done, and then there's a space right here where you can reach in. That is your windshield weather strip once it's removed. And you can even hold the plate in place like that. But it's best to have a hand underneath to start with. So I removed the cadmium plating from the face where it's going to get welded. I think I will try to put it in through the top. I meant put it in through the outside upper portion. Trying to get it past this space inside. And before, I think I went in under and pushed it up. It took a lot less time doing this than it did fishing it out. Okay, gotta line it up and tighten it up. That looks pretty centered. This hole is a factory hole in the center, right there already. So I'm on that side and this side, and I just cleaned it all up and used that as my guide for where this pivot anchor point will be. And then I'm going to use a headrest mounted guide I want to make it so it's not at the very end of its pull when you're trying to latch it. Pushing on that a little. Yeah, that pushed it out nicely. Time to weld it. The goal is just to smooth it out so the panel that goes over it fits nice. In a kit from CJ Pony Parts, they put a plate on the outside, drill straight through the two sheets of metal, and then secure it to the outside plate. I may choose to drill this out in the end and put a nut and bolt on the outside, but the plate on the inside is strong enough, I think. With some thread locker and a shortened bolt, it'll be clean on the outside and you won't even see it. Let me show you up close now.